Namaskar. A warm welcome to all of you on our YouTube channel CA Sansar. Myself CA Vivek Khurana, and today we will discuss on a very important issue whether a statutory auditor of a bank can accept the stock audit of the bank, same bank. So let's discuss of this issue because I have received many queries regarding this issue. Is that whether a chartered accountant who is a statutory auditor of a bank can accept stock audit of the same bank for the same financial year? Means if I am appointing as a statutory auditor of a bank, so whether can I accept the stock audit either for the same branch or different branches of the bank? What's the view of the ICI? As per Ethical Standard Board of ICI, a chartered accountant who is a statutory auditor of a bank cannot accept stock audit of the same branch or any other branch or the sister concern of the bank for the same financial year. मीन्स में सेम फाइनेंशियल ईयर के लिए ना तो सेम ब्रांच जिसका मैं स्टैट्यूटरी ऑडिटर हूं और सम अदर ब्रांचेस फॉर सेम बैंक और द सिस्टर कंसर्न कि अगर उस बैंक की कोई सिस्टर कंसर्न है उसका भी मैं स्टॉक ऑडिट एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर सकता. दिस इज एज पर एथिकल स्टैंडर्ड बोर्ड ऑफ आईसीआई. अब रीजन क्या है? व्हाट्स द रीजन बिहाइंड इट? बिकॉज stock audit is a kind of management function. So stock audit and the statutory audit both are not permissible simultaneously. या तो आप स्टॉक ऑडिटर बन सकते हैं या फिर स्टैट्यूटरी ऑडिटर फॉर द सेम फाइनेंशियल ईयर, एंड बोथ stock audit and the statutory audit are not allowed simultaneously because either it's for the same branch or for the different branches of the same bank. Now, whether it's statutory auditor of a bank, whether can he accept concurrent audit? No, because concurrent audit is also a management function. So if I am a statutory auditor, so I cannot accept the concurrent audit. Also, quarterly review as a statutory auditor, it's also not allowed. Then revenue auditor, even if I am a statutory auditor, it's not allowed to accept the revenue audit of the same bank or the same financial year. Now, one more question is there, which I want to ask from all of you. Whether a concurrent auditor, if I am appointed as a concurrent auditor of a bank, whether can I accept stock audit of the same bank? So this question is from my side, from all of you. Please answer this question in the comment box. We'll discuss some other time. Till then, bye bye. And my request to all of you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, CA Sansar. Thank you very much.